only me. Shooting me those flirtatious looks, and you can stop batting your eyelashes at me because I came here to fight, all right?
Steal the show and steal your girlfriend.
It worked out so well for you that he's sitting home on the couch recovering. But you know what? I'm feeling like a little bit of payback tonight.
Just watch you.